I'm currently looking at USD Chef, and I'm on the 1 hour candle. So I'm currently looking to take a trade, but I've already taken a trade and I made a profit of $800, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. But right now I'm going to be catching another trade, and this is why I'm going to catch another trade right here. So we currently have market structure, in an uptrend, and not just on this part right here of this chart. When I zoom out like this, you can see we're in an extreme uptrend market, as you can see right there. So whatever I'm doing, I'm looking for just for buys. So currently you can see when I draw my trend line like this, you can see I'm trying to give my price level. Obviously you can see price has bounced off here 1 time, 2 time, and then price is currently at this zone right here. So I already caught off a trade when price came here at first and bounced off here. So I caught this massive trade here, and here is another reason why I took this trade right here. So we had this zone right here. This is a very important zone in the market, this one right here. So you can currently see this zone right here. So I'm having this zone right here. So this zone is acting as my resistance right here, and then when price broke it at this zone right here, it acted as my support, as you can see. So price broke it right here, and now it becomes my support right here. So meaning when price comes back here, it's also going to use this as a support level. Now the reason why I'm looking for buy trades, every start of the week we have this gap that is created in the market. It can either be on any pair, but when this gap is created, it means price has to fill it anytime soon. So what I do mostly is look for when price is going to fill it up. So currently you can see how price has bounced off my trend line 1, 2 times, and also price comes back here. So indicating that now we can even see momentum is trying to die off this part right here. Now we're going to see price shooting back up to fill up this fair value gap. So I'm going to take my trade right now, just like this. I'm going to use a one stop. I'm going to use a one lot size, since whenever I'm trading forex pairs, one lot size is nothing to me as long as I have like a very tight stop loss. So I'm going to put my buy trade in just now. I'm going to put in 2 trades. I'll put in 2 trades just like that. So as you can see, now I've taken this trade targeting this part right here as my take profit. So I'm going to have one take profit right here, another take profit up here like this. Just like this, guys. This is how I make money on a daily basis. Everyone is asleep right now. It's currently 12:39 in the night. As you can see, it's midnight right now. Everyone is asleep, but I'm catching this result when the Asian session opens like this. We shall have momentum pushing this price to the upper side, and then I'll be cashing out profits. I don't know how much I'm going to make, but I know I'm going to cash out a lot today. So I'm going to put my stop loss exactly at this level right here, as you can see. So I'm going to risk only 239 points, which is very, very few on a USD Chef, guys, as you can see. So before I go any further, you can even see my 4-hour candle. Everything is just bullish, as you can see. Everything is just bullish. You can see we're still in a bullish market, as you can see. So that gap that has been created has to be filled. So let me first take my trade. Let me put my stop loss, and then I'm going to back test for you and show you other gaps that were created in the market and they were filled. So I'm going to come back to the 1-hour candle. So currently down here, these are my trades down here. I'm in a small loss of $22, but I'm going to hold. So currently we're going to put our stop loss, which is 88385. So I'm just going to tap this right here, and then I'm going to modify my stop loss to this zone right here, as you can see. And then yeah, trading successfully. I've modified that one, so I'm going to do the same for this one right here. Just like that. Now I've modified both my stop losses. Now I'm also going to modify my take profits to this zone right up here. So I'm putting my take profit right there up, and then I'm going to also modify. So what I'm doing right now, I'm trading on FastBull. So what I'm doing, I'm tapping on my position. So my position is currently at this zone right here. This is my position right here, as you can see. Right here I have buy, as you can see right there. So what I'm doing is I'm just getting those, and I'm tapping on it. When you tap on it, you can be able to modify it without even having to type in everything manually. So I just tap it like this, and then I'll drag my take profit wherever I want, as you can see, and then it just modifies it automatically, as you can see. Now that is our trade. Right now we don't have momentum. Right now it's currently, as I said, it's currently 12:41. So the New York market has just closed off at 11, that is Ugandan time, and we don't have like momentum right now. The dollar is closed, the chef is closed, but I'm putting in my position right now because I know when the Asian session opens, we're going to have some momentum that will push this USD to the upper side, as you can see, traders. So because remember, the Asian session and Sydney session are almost the same that side, so we're going to have price push up to the upper side. Now traders, it's currently 3:05. So I made the first part of this video when it was around 12 midnight. Now I didn't even manage to go to bed. Immediately when I was going to bed, price shot up, like price shot up crazy. Literally, look at this, guys. I'm running huge profits. Look at that entry right there. I don't know if you guys can see that properly, but right here on my screen, you can currently see that price shot up so much. Look at this. You see that? Price shot up so much. And currently down here, we are in huge profits. As you can see, we are floating already 21 pips, almost 22 pips. As you can see down here, I'm floating $446 equal. When you equal up both, because I used 2 lot sizes, so meaning each lot size is giving me $10 per pip, meaning right now I'm already up 20 pips. And currently we are just halfway off. I think we're just halfway off our move right here. You can see we're currently halfway off this move right here. We want this move to push it up to the side right here. As you can see, guys, this is how I maximize off this trend. Anytime when I see a gap in the market, guys, a gap has to be filled. You see these gaps right here? All you need is just to know how does price come back to fill up these gaps. Now let's say we are trading in a month, and then you probably see these gaps, let's say thrice or thrice a month. It means this is easy money for you because you're going to trade these gaps. The only trick is knowing when to take these trades. You don't just have to take these trades, as you can see, guys. So this was a perfect trade, guys. I've already closed off, I've already hit take profit 1 on my phone. I took this trade also on my phone, as you can see right there. As you can see, so I took a trade on my phone. Right now on my phone, I'm currently floating 30 pips, but on my computer right here, I'm floating 23 pips currently, as you can see, guys. And this has been massive, guys. I shared this same trade with my VIP right here. As you can see, this is my VIP group. So you can see that this is my VIP group right here. When you see currently here, I already shared this trade before it played out. So this was the first. You look at this, guys. I literally told them before I took this trade, as you can see. So I took this trade when price was down here. You see, this is the same entry, guys. You can see. Now when price came back to our retest, as you can see, price came back there. You can see price came back there, and this is the time when I took this trade when I was making this video, as you can see, guys. Now we are in profit, as you can see. So I was able to close off the first take profit because the first take profit price was filling up a fair value gap, as you can see right here. Take profit 1 hit already 30 pips, as you can see. It's 30 pips max. I lost $53 in the morning, but that was just a stupid mistake. I was setting my stop loss, and I didn't know that I'd set my stop loss immediately where I was at. But no worries. We are currently now floating 200 and we are floating now 26 pips almost, guys. This is massive. This is massive, literally. This is massive. I just wanted price to fill up this fair value gap for my take profit 1, take profit 2 for price to sweep all this liquidity above here, and also price filling up this gap right here. So I'm going to I'm going to leave them run. My stop loss, I put my stop loss down here, as you can see, my stop loss right here, as you can see right here, down here, stop loss, and then this is my entry. So I put my stop loss right here. So since now we're already up 25 pips, I'm going to move my stop loss up even higher, because whenever you're trading and then you have profits, you always want to make sure that you close off, you cover the gap, reduce the gap between your stop loss, as long as you have secured some profits. But again, you can currently see that we are floating profits, as you can see, $500, and I'm trading on FastBull, guys. FastBull is the only platform where you can practice and make crazy money, guys. You can see the economic data on FastBull. You can see everything literally on your FastBull platform. You can do copy trading, but right now I'm just trading with my own equity, guys. I'm trading with my own equity. As you can see, I'm not doing the copy trading. I'm just making straight up simple analysis and then taking trades, as you can see. Currently we have crossed the 30 pips, 35 pips on my phone, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but currently in profits on my phone. And this is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it. So now let's backtest some gaps that have been happening in the markets for the past So this is the first gap right here. As you can see, we had this gap right here and it was filled, as you can see right here. You see this gap, and you can see price came back and filled it, as you can see. So the main thing is you need to understand when price is going to reverse and come back and fill it. So one thing for me, I want to always look out for this turning point. So you can see this was the turning point, as you can see right there, and that is where price turned to go back and fill up that gap. So that gap right there is not just this turning point was not just a turning point. We can see we have some consolidation right here, indicating that this is more of a demand zone right here. So meaning price would come back and bounce off right there, as you can see. And this gap was filled. So it's mostly you have to have a turning point where price is going to turn and go back and reverse. So let's look out for another gap that was created in the market. This is, we're looking at USD CHF. As you can see right here, this gap was created on USD JPY and it was already filled. As you can see, price came back and filled it. Now, how did price fill it up? As I mentioned, price has to go down to a major turning point. As you can see right there, this was a major turning point for price, as you can see. So price came, bounced off and went back and filled it, as you can see. So price, this gap was created on many pairs today. So when you see that pair, when you see that gap in the market, always take advantage, but you need to understand how does price go back and fill it up. So I'm showing you one more gap that was created today. As you can see right here, this gap was created and also on our GBP JPY. Now remember, for our GBP JPY, if we are buying the USD JHF, we are technically selling the GBP JPY. So here, whatever we're doing, we're just looking out for price to fill up this gap. But you can see price has already filled it up, and not all of it, but price, you can see how price has tried to come back and fill it down, as you can see. And when you look at its history, we can see some gaps here that were left in the market. Like here, this gap was left in the market, and you can currently see how price came back and filled it. So this is a very important gap, and this is an easy way to make that quick back when the wick opens. This is always the first, quick back. So as I said, price will always use a turning point. This is our turning point, as you can see right there. So price will always use a turning point to come back and fill up a fair value gap or a gap in the market, you can see. So price came back, tapped into here, and then came back and filled this gap right here, as you can see. So these gaps are always created whenever a new wick is open. So traders, this is how I trade on a daily basis. This is how I trade. My trading plan has many concepts. It has many trading conditions. So this is one of the conditions that my trading plan has. Anytime when I see a gap in the market, I'm always going to maximize off this gap and take it. Right now, my target is not yet hit, but I'm already up profits on my phone and also on my computer right here. As you can see, I'm already up profits. So I'm going to just let this ride out, and then I'll be seeing you guys in my next video, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe. Because I'm going to be doing another live trading to show you guys how you can catch just 20 pips and be able to make crazy money. 20 pips is all you need to be able to make money every single day. You can see I can close off this right now because this was like a snapper entry. I can close this off right now and then I'll be done. But my target is not yet hit. My target is this gap right here. But again, this was just 20 pips. So far market has just moved 23 pips. Imagine 23 pips. Easy. You see, traders, so this is how we do it. Transparency, keep it simple and everything. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. Peace.